Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, you have seen that how to use shared preferences for creating small login application in Flutter. Now, as you know that shared preferences have some drawbacks that you can remove the cache and again you have to log in. So if you want to avoid such kind of problem, then we can use directly SQLite for login screen. So how to do that? So this is the main screen here and I'm using here shared preferences and all the information there I'm using. So I remove save preferences from here and I enable the database once again, remember, and this information I save here to display if I want to display, otherwise nothing is required. So same thing I want to implement, but here in the reference of login screen. So username password is ready and we have checked. If it's not empty, then do this. We go there and I remove the save preferences here. I have to remove the save preferences, no problem, and I enable the database here and you see done. So this is done and we store this and we display information. Database is okay, and one thing that is may create a problem that I'm creating a object of database here, and again I will have to create the database here also. So I think that will create a new instance of database and it may create a problem. So try to check once again, then I will explain what to do. So this is done. Again I need this instance, so I copy this in the splash screen. Okay, here I create this and here also I copy this. Okay, and I, in place of save preferences, I remove this. I done this. Okay, and row is there. I say bool there, check, and bool value will be decided by result is empty. So I create here bool check and remove this from here. I say if it is not empty, then I say true, otherwise I say false. So that I can do, and this is this one. Okay, so I get the information. If it is not empty, then if it is not empty, true, otherwise false. Try to save this and try to execute it once again, and it going to the login screen and no information is coming right now. Okay, new instance is created, that's why I think so. No problem. I try to create a user first. I say Dr. Vipin. I say 1 2 3 login, and you see welcome is coming. Once again I try to restart the application and try to check. You see now welcome is coming. So this time you see that if you remove the cache value, nothing will remove because you are getting information from the database. So once you register, you check that if it is not empty, you can check username password also. You can match username password also from the text box, and you can use save preferences also to match the username and password whatever you have created earlier. Otherwise, this is also okay that you have login and you are allowing only one user to login. Whatever the user login with any username and password, if it is available in the database, you make it true, and next time no login screen, always it will display the welcome screen without the login. Remember that it will always display the home screen without a login screen. So now it cannot be removed. If you want to show once again the login screen, you have to create a button, and from the button you have to delete the record from the table. Remember that. So it's a permanent login in the application. So such kind of thing you can also create by using SQLite. So far here we have learned about save preferences, SQLite database, how to integrate this SQLite in the Flutter. In next video, I will show you the complete CRUD application where I will explain how to insert, update, delete and display information from the SQLite in a small workable application. So that's all here in this video. See you in next video for creating a CRUD application.